we're going to make the traps responsive and compliant. This time,
Yeah.
inside the div, but we'll do it in 4 columns. I'll do these 2 like this. This time, I'm going to do it in bulk. Undoing. I'm preparing 3 like this because I'm going to test it with 3. We are removing, we are deleting. In this lesson, here, it asks us to add a class to the submit button first. Let's find the submit button. It's at the very bottom. Like this. Let's add primary to the submit button. A blue button is created. Let's add the button. A blue button has been created here. Button element. Something this. Let's add submit to the input as well. Here, a class. I'm adding it. The form is controlled and fully wide. Now, the formulas. We will arrange them in a responsive way. Here, have been done. We're looking at the given items here. Again, 1 role. It's asking us to create a role. It's talking about the one that includes the button and the text input, meaning this part here. Class. Row. We'll take it like this. The text input. 7 with the column. It also wants the submit button. To find, it wants I will create both and divide it that way. Now, we're creating a Bootstrap header from scratch. Here, it first asks us to create an h3 tag. Open the h3 tag. Close it. Inside. Will. Write jQuery Playground. Let's create the text, then we'll add the classes. Class. Text. Primary. The color has changed. Text center. Now it's going to center it. Yes. We're now creating a fluid container. Bin a div. This. It wants us to create it by including the HTC tag. So let's do it like this. Let's move it down with Enter. Inside the div, there's also a class. Like this. Let's write this by doing a copy-paste. Not. He wants us to create a Taycroft giant. This. It wants us to create it inside the container food circuit. Then here's how we're going to do it. Again, a class like this. Row. Division. We are doing here. Dividing it into a 6x6 grid with 12 sections and creating 2 div elements. It asked us to create a div element. I'm doing the copy-paste because it's the same. He wants us to create a val class. Inside the div, just like the others. Adeine. Class, this time is val. This will create a text area with a deep gray background. We needed to make 2 of them. We ended up with 2 text areas side by side. We're going to create elements. Now, we need to create 3 buttons here and a total of 6. And a total of 6. It wants us to make the buttons. Let's make one of them, and for the others, let's do a copy-paste. It looks like this because there's no text inside it, but we have created 3 buttons. jQuery, selectors. You need to create a class for that. For that, we're adding a target. All the buttons again. Elements. jQuery, selectors. You need to create a class for that. For that, we're adding a target. All the buttons again. Elements. We're adding ISOP elements to family. We're adding to family. Left. Left. Right. Well. As. Two of them. Right over here, just a little bit more. Like giving a class. We can write. But of course, the functions are different. And we're labeling the data, then tagging the labels. Here's what we're going to do. It's related to this. Oh, 4. There's a left for this. Under this. To use the query, we're giving them all an ID. Here. Like this. Actually, we're just going to change their numbers and we'll go in order. Left Weller will be 1 through 3. Which of the following is a common name for the buttons? We name none like this from 1 to 6 to indicate which ID they belong to. This. Up to. Adding comments to explain the code. Here. Above the code. This text. It wants us to write. And finish. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my video.